Okay, we're going to solve this compound inequality and then graph it. The first thing you want to know before you even start to solving them is what your graph is going to generally look like. Here's what I mean. If it's and, if it uses the word and, the graph is going to be together. If it uses the word or, the graphs are going to be separated with a gap in between them. Also, you're going to use dots for your numbers, and I'll show you in a minute, but here's what you should know. If the inequality is not underlined, you use an open circle, and if it is underlined, use a closed circle. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph these. Or you got to solve them before you graph them. So the first one is 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 9. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So I get 2x, opposites cancel, is less than 12. Divide both sides by 2. Top cancels with bottom. X is less than 12 divided by 2 is 6. The next one was 4x plus 6 is greater than or equal to negative 2. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Bring down the 4x. The opposites cancel. Greater than or equal to negative 8. Divide both sides by 4. Top cancels with bottom. X is greater than or equal to negative 2. Okay, so you want to put these in the order that they would appear on a number line. So on your number line, negative 2 would be over here, and a positive 6 would be over here, and the 6 doesn't have the inequality is not underlined, so that is an open circle, and the negative 2 it is underlined, so that's a closed circle, and because of the word and, you connect them, so that's your graph. Okay, this next one, 4x minus 4 is less than 16. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So 4x, opposites cancel, is less than 20. Divide both sides by 4. Top cancels with bottom. X is less than 20 divided by 4 is 5. The next one, 3x plus 4 is greater than 4. I'm going to start by subtracting 4 from both sides. Bring down the 3x, opposites cancel, is greater than 4, take away 4 is 0. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Top cancels with bottom, x is greater than 0 divided by anything is just 0. So you've got two numbers. You have a 0 and a 5. So in the order they would appear on a number line, the 0 would be over here and the 5 would be over here. The 0's inequality is not underlined, so you want to just use an open circle. Neither is the 5, so you use an open circle for that. The word and means you connect them in the middle. And that one's finished. Okay, the next one, 4x plus 5 is greater than 29. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. Bring down the 4x. Opposites cancel. Is greater than 29. Take away 5 is 25. No, I'm sorry, it's 24. I don't know what I was thinking. 4 times x, divide both sides by 4. Top cancels with bottom. X is greater than 6. 24 divided by 4 is 6. The next one, 2x minus 4 is less than negative 2. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So 2x, opposites cancel, is less than negative 2 plus 4 is like 4, take away 2. So that's 2. 2 times x, so we got to divide both sides by 2. Top cancels with bottom. X is less than 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have, in the order they would appear on a number line, would be 1 here and 6 here. The 1 uses an open circle, and the 6 does too, because neither one of them are underlined. But because this original word said or, you have to separate the graphs. So those are split apart to look like that.